It is our last night in Colorado, and we're staying at the Staybridge Suites in Colorado Springs. This 2-room suite sleeps 6 and gives us plenty of space to relax before heading to the airport tomorrow. We have an ice maker, which is very close to our room. All right, so we're 128. Let's see what we got here. There we go. Okay, so we have a kitchen when we first walk in. And it looks like the dishwasher's running. We have a TV, sleeper sofa, desk. We come over here, and we have 2 queen beds. Here's the bathroom. And we are in the Colorado Springs Staybridge Suites off of New Car Road. Closet. We'll have breakfast in the morning. And there's a hot tub also. There's another TV. That's a nice room. Very nice. Looks like a newer hotel. There's a pantry right across from us. Some meeting rooms, boardrooms, public restrooms. Let's see what else we got. And then some more rooms. We also have an ice dispenser right here. And straight down the hallway is where the breakfast and stuff is in the office.
We have a lot of football fun.
We found that the complimentary breakfast was mediocre, but we did enjoy unwinding in the area with the long tables playing cards the evening before. That's nice. You got a little outdoor patio. That's kind of cool. Neat. You have to walk downstairs. Just shut the door. Barbecue pit. Get a fire pit. Here's the hot tub. Oh, so the hot tub's outside, but the pool's inside? It's 10 to 10. The pool is open from 10 to 10 and can be accessed from an interior hallway or during the warmer months from outside by the hot tub. It even has a pull-down garage door for colder months and looks to be about 5 foot deep.
It's cold and warm.
And here's some restrooms and a flush. Here's the fitness center. Oh, here's the guest laundry. So laundry is included. So you have 3 dryers and 8 washers. Oh, okay, so it's up or down. Interesting. That's nice. I got 8 washers and 3 dryers.
After a long road trip, I took advantage of the free laundry room to freshen things up before we headed home.
Also in one is some additional restrooms.